So this will be our connection circuit in case of studying the charging of capacitor. Here you can see that there is a orange color capacitor. It has the capacity of 1 microfarad, and I have connected a series of resistances to it. There are 12 resistances of 10 kilo ohm each. That makes a 120 kilo ohm resistance all total. Uh, so you can see there is a 1 microfarad resistance, sorry, 1 microfarad capacitor, and in series there is 120 kilo ohm resistance. That gives almost 0.12 as time constant. Okay, so when you are doing the experiment, you should be using higher time constant so that the experiment gives us a more realistic and better result. Since I am using low time constant, that's why the capacitor will be almost charged within a few seconds. Okay, you should be getting a higher capacity, a capacitor with higher value of capacity. Okay, uh, you can also see there is a LED I have installed. It is to indicate when the capacitor is fully charged. Okay, when the capacitor is fully charged, the LED will glow and the current passing through the capacitor will be turned on, indicating that the capacitor is fully charged. This is the breadboard circuit. So you can see there is a red wire. It will be giving the actual power 5-volt connection. There is a green wire. We will be measuring the voltage across the capacitor using that green wire. Okay, and the black wire is for ground, and the yellow wire coming connected to the LED is for the glowing of LED. Okay, so moving to the Arduino board, you can see the yellow color line is connected to channel number 8, and the red one, which is the power line, it is connected to the pin number 13, and the black one is connected to the ground, and the green one is connected to A0, through which we will be using the ADC to measure the voltage. Okay, so now moving to the code part. So since I have already explained the code, I will be not discussing much. Okay, just have a look into it. So there is the initialization part. After that, this initialization part is for the timing. Okay, the time in millisecond. After that, the setup part where we initialize the serial monitor. After that, pin mode and the power LED. Like, this is the power line actually. The power line is set as output. The status. This is the LED showing the full charge, fully charged level. So it is also need to be set as output channel. There is the power now for initialization. Both the power LED and status LED has been put low. After that, I have introduced a 10 seconds delay, because if we don't introduce this delay, uh, whenever we connect the Arduino to the computer, it will immediately start the giving us results, and it will be cumbersome to monitor it also. So I have introduced 10-second delay so that we can just connect and wait a few seconds, and after that we will be getting the outputs. Okay, and in the loop, I already discussed this while loop. This loop is for testing if the voltage has reached 5.0. If it has reached the level, that is, it has reached fully, the capacitor becomes fully charged, then it will exit the loop and it will make the power line low and the status LED high, indicating the full charge has been completed. Okay, so it's time to compile and push the program. Since I have already pushed the program into my Arduino board, so I will be not showing that again. Okay, so let's make the serial monitor little bit long, cover more screen so that we can check the value. The auto scroll is on, so I guess you can see the camera also. So when the capacitor will be fully charged, the LED will glow also, and we will be getting the time with after that space and the current voltage level. Okay, so it's time to connect the system and power up the Arduino board. But just minutely look everything because it will be like 5 to 6 seconds, and after that it will be getting fully charged. Okay, so it's time to get connect it. Let's connect. Are you ready? Okay, and I have connected it. Now people watch on the monitor. So you can see it has almost reached its threshold. So I think I should stop here because in practical sense, the capacitor can't reach 5 volt. So I should set the um, threshold value as 4.99 or something like that. Okay. So it has almost reached 4.99 and it is showing a constant. Let it run for a few more minutes and I will stop it. That is, I will disconnect that thing. Okay. So let's disconnect it. I should have set the value as 4.99. That's now we need to process the data. I will be showing that in the next few couple of minutes. Okay.